Flownex offers enhanced connectivity with the addition of an OPC UA client component. The user can now seamlessly exchange data between Flownex and OPC UA server using this powerful new feature. Whether you are working with real-time data or process information, the OPC UA client component enables efficient and reliable data communication, further expanding Flownex capabilities to integrate with the industrial system and processes. To configure the connection to the OPC UA server, double-click on the OPC UA client component, specify the host ID, select the endpoint, and click on Connect to connect to the server. You can create links between Flownex components and tags on the OPC UA server. If you'd like to learn more about this capability, please refer to the release notes or consult the comprehensive manual for in-depth information. Additionally, if you have any questions or need further assistance, our dedicated support team is here to help.